Aloha, you're watching Beach Walks with Rocks at beachwalks.tv.
1, 2, 3, and switch at 3, then switch back to the left, 2, 3, and switch, and we should be at 9, okay?
Aloha everybody, I'm here on Maui this week and got several shows coming up for you, and today's show is all about hula. I took a hula class yesterday at the Celebration of the Arts being held at the Ritz-Carlton Kapalua. It's an amazing annual event. It's been rated the #1 Hawaiian culture event in Hawaii by Hawaii Magazine. And so I want to show you my hula lessons and also a brief interview I did with my Kumu Hula Lopaka, and he explains to us how to treat and deal with the hula out of respect and love, which is how the Hawaiians give it back to us. Aloha.
When Hawaiians look at health and they look at different elements, if you would, they always look at the holistic approach of the mind, the body, and the spirit. So, you know, the mind is challenged by getting the footstep and the hands done, memorizing the chant, the sound, those things, you know, that's stimulating the mind and the mental capacity, you know. And when you're doing the physical work of the hula, that's what's, you know, the activity, yeah, the cardiovascular, all of those things that, you know, keep you activated and engaged. But then when you're looking at the spiritualness of the dance and the sacredness of the dance, what you're dancing about is a reflection of nature and a reflection of life, which is very awe-inspiring. Makaukau? Okay, we're gonna go right into it with a kaholo. 1, 2, 3, and kaholo right. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see. No hands, just feet. I'm watching you guys. 1, 2, 3, and halau hanale ikanini aka ua hu manoke ho'o vai a kaliko lai. Okay, so you're gonna take that 2 uehes with the o right after you do your left last hela. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, and halau hanale ikanini aka ua hu manoke ho'o vai a kaliko lai. Okay, good. You know, hula is an art of the heart, and truly the heartbeat of the Hawaiian people. And King David Kalakaua put it so eloquently when he said that. And I don't think anybody really tries to offend or do anything with that kind of an intention to be disrespectful. So, you know, it was my great-grandaunt, actually, Edith Kanakaole, who said, teach everyone and to share what it is that may be your art or your vehicle that connects and makes you feel and think and be very Hawaiian. If you come with a good intention and a heart that's pure, then everything is pono, everything is okay. So look at your hands, look at your hands. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Humanoke ho'ovai a kaliko lai. Okay, excellent. This is the moment. We're on the stage. I'm drawing a picture, I'm painting you a picture. We're on the stage. So this is what we want to present to our family, our ohana, our friends. And this is how we're going to try to do the very best that we can. And even if we try the best that we can and we make a mistake, it's aole pilikia, no problem, because you know why? Only the gods cannot flaw. We can flaw as kanakas, okay? As mankind, we can. So I want to thank you guys. We're going to do it one last time. So give it all your gusto. And then we pow until tomorrow morning if you want to come back, okay? Makaukau? Excellent. Halau. Alau ana le I ka nini a kau Kumano ke po o vai a kalikolai Na haka o pi vai vai aloha O ke kahi koe a hiki Wai olilai wai ke ai Ke mele no Hey, good job! Mahalo, mahalo.